how to buy Robinhood token. So this token came under the symbol of Hood. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before you invest in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 months ago and increased by 449% in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, this token trending number 8 in the Solana section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now, make sure to select the Solana token, and now you can click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now, just click on it, and now here you can type how much you want to buy like that. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now scroll down and you will be able to find here swap, click on it. So after that, you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter or OKX provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.